much of that process is already described in a Power App, a Power Apps maker right here at powerapps.com can now come in and generate an agent from the app. And because we understand that app deeply, the Copilot in Power Apps can make suggestions about very specific tasks and skills within the app that an agent could help automate. And in fact, beyond just suggestions, because the app already understands the data sources, understands the forms and the logic and what people do with them, it can generate detailed instructions for the agent directly from the application. And like everything we've seen today, as a maker, I can edit this, and I can work with the Copilot and iterate on top. I'm going to remove one of the instructions and add another. Hey, if you're unsure about anything, escalate to a human for review. And just like that, we can kick off a process to go create an agent. Now, that takes a couple of minutes, but you've come to the right cooking show today. The good news is I've already built an agent. In fact, it's already up and running for this scenario. And we're going to come over here into Copilot Studio and look at what that agent looks like. Right down to all the details of what makes it work. Now, you can see the description and the instructions for the agent have come through, but it's not only those open text instructions. I also have the data sources in the app coming through as knowledge for the agent. And in fact, you can see all those